challenges which we were facing was the first was to improve the profit margins. So our sales were growing on year on year basis, but unfortunately the profits were not in line with sales. And the second one, we want to go to consumer market with ready to cook gravies, and we want to monetize this COVID situation. Third thing is we want to understand go to market strategy. These are the few challenges, and to overcome these challenges, Foundation have helped us a lot. Foundation helped us to find out the areas of improvement in the sales, frameworks and templates provided detailed understanding what will be the different steps for go to market. They have provided a detailed how would be the revenue model looks for B2C and B2B business. So these are the few challenges in which Foundation has helped us to overcome. Basically, as we were HoReCa players during this pandemic, when everything came standstill, that was the time which we were in, we thought about to diversify ourselves in consumer market. So we have come up with a ready to cook gravies. We have found a market gap in that. We have found the pain point of customers, like working women are spending a lot of time in kitchen. So we thought this might help us. This product might help them. But at the same time, we have a lot of dilemmas in our mind because we were the B2B players and B2C is entirely a different game. Foundation has helped us a lot to create the go-to market strategy, to understand the sales process, how it works, and to which channel to introduce by looking at our practical situation and the funds which we have. So during this discussion with the foundation, my development manager, we came to the decision that we must enter this market, B2C market, through this online digital marketing, through online presence. So we have started to increase our presence in online portals. We have come up with a different type of pricing strategy by looking at buying behavior of the online consumer. We have come up with the strategies. With the help of Foundation, we have decided the packing, so which may appeal to online consumer.
So the inspiration behind coming from B2B to B2C was definitely COVID situation. So his product was mostly targeted into the restaurants and HoReCa segment, and we all know that that was heavily affected due to the COVID situation. When you come to B2C space, you have to obviously look at the product. That sometimes your B2B product is not actually fit to the B2C market. So that's why what he did, he used that situation and monetized that situation basically, and keeping your household and working in office to balance that, you need to obviously optimize your cooking time, and he actually monetized that, and he came up with the product which will give you the actual taste of the restaurant's dishes, and as well as it will keep you healthy and freshness of all the product, but the cooking time will be very short, around 8 to 10. Second thing is how you actually reach out to your customer about your product. So that's how the foundation actually helped him in the digital marketing piece. So what we did, we kind of strategized the digital marketing, that what are the kind of post he needs to put, what will be the frequency for that, what kind of content he needs to put, what are the different hashtags, what are the different platforms, all of this. And we also developed a tool for him which will give him idea that how each of the posts in different platforms are performing. We also helped him getting into this digital marketing journey with one of the agency. We evaluated a lot of agencies where we finalized one of the agency, and he is going ahead with that. Third is the pricing. So this is also very important, that how you price your B2C product. We all know that nowadays everything is discounted product and bundle of the offering. So we kind of help Umeshji strategizing that. Fourth thing is the channel. This is very important due to the COVID situation. The offline channel is completely off. So he needs to go into the online model. So we helped him getting into BigBasket, Amazon, and what will be the strategy for getting into all of those platforms. So these are the four areas where actually, externally the foundation helped him strategizing going into the B2C model. The most and the last part of it, that how he is planning is internal revenue, because if you are going from B2B to B2C, you have to also take care that your revenue from B2B is not getting affected, because a lot of investment is required when you are changing your model. So that's what we kind of did the financial projection, that what will be the revenue coming from your B2C and what will be the investment you have to do from the revenue you are getting from B2B. So that projection or that kind of financial modeling actually helped him to analyze that what will be the growth he can expect from B2C and how this is boosting his overall growth, not affecting the B2B revenue. So that's how we strategize this B2B to B2C model change in over the 5 or 6 months in the program.